Dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, doing well and enjoying their life, and welcome to my YouTube channel Luxuriant Fashions. Today viewers, I am going to back with the most beautiful stylish, top trending, top elegant design ideas for new stylish short pixie bob haircuts, undercuts, side undercuts and shave undercut design ideas, and your ultimate destination for a chic bold and trendy haircut ideas and very pretty and very wonderful design ideas and stylish women's and ladies hair cutting ideas and stylish nape bowl haircuts and shave undercuts, side undercuts and nape bowl haircuts and vintage stylish hair cutting ideas and very gorgeous and very pretty designs and very amazing video. New pixie hair styling ideas 2025. Right now, of course, you want to see beautiful and amazing inspirations that you should accept to see more of come the new years. You find gorgeous pixie haircuts right here. You find some of the best short haircuts for women. This is absolutely beautiful and amazing and stunning. You can see that it's very beautiful. Size the hairstyles is also very lovely. I love you the no look of the most of these short hairstyles right here. When it comes to pixie hair styling, you find the very best as you watch this video, because at the end of the day it's all about your looking your best and sharing the confidence that you need to stand out and look really amazing and beautiful. So go right ahead and watch this video. If you are into maintaining a pixie cut, you are in the variation of style that you can make selections from, because it's all about you at the end of the if you're looking for something cool, if you're looking for something cute, if get ideas from, because at the end of the day I must suggest you to watch then my videos, and please like my videos, share my videos with your friends and your relatives. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel for more information and updates and new design ideas and new trending and stylish hair cutting ideas, and give your feedback in the comment section. And friends, to support me by sharing my videos with your friends.